This is the Nubia Redmagic 6R, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can enable and use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the keyboard itself, then open the clipboard section by tapping on this particular icon. After that, in order to activate the clipboard, turn on this little toggle over here. Next, if you would like to add any new elements to your clipboard, you're gonna simply copy something. Once we get back to the clipboard, we'll see that it has been successfully added as its most recent entry or element. If you would like to remove the clipboard elements you have, just tap on the pencil icon, select what particular elements you would like to erase, and then click on a trash bin. If you would like to paste the clipboard elements, just tap on the desired unit you would like to use. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye!